I'm going to demonstrate how to use Dragon Professional with Internet Explorer, how to navigate to a web page, how to select a particular hyperlink, how to enter text into a text field, how to click on various buttons, and how to scroll up and down pages. Now, I would usually start this process by saying search web for, and then I'd say the term or the word that I want to be searched for. But because I have Microsoft Edge on my computer, it kind of conflicts with that a little bit. So I'm just going to say start Internet Explorer and go from there. Now, I have a handheld microphone, so that means that I'm going to be pressing the button on my microphone to activate it and deactivate it. Another way of doing that is by using the plus key on the numeric keypad on your keyboard. Anyway, I'll start now. Start Internet Explorer. Maximize window. MS Walkathon. Click search. Choose one. Okay, so you can see that I said choose one, and the reason for that was because the term search was somewhere else on that web page. It might have been a bit further down, and so it had on that web page there were the term search was either associated with two buttons or two hyperlinks. Now I want to go to the mswalk.org.au web page. I'm going to do that by saying click MS Walk. It will come up with a couple of options, and then I'll choose the one. Click MS Walk. Choose 3. Okay, so the web page is loaded. I want to register now. Click Register. And I want to register for Melbourne. Click Melbourne. Now you can see here that there are 3 radio buttons. I want to select one of them. Now it can depend on how a web page is being constructed in terms of how the software, how Dragon or any other product will interact with it. I find a good way of getting around things that often works on most web pages is by doing a kind of general command like click radio button, and then it will come up with a number beside each radio button. Then I'll choose what number I want. So I'll do that now. Click radio button. Choose 1. Start scrolling down. Stop scrolling. Scroll up. Scroll down. Okay, so those scroll commands that I used just then can be used on any Microsoft product that has a scroll bar, and they can also be used on other products that have scroll bars as well. Okay, I want to continue to next step, so click Continue to Next Step. Okay, so the next thing is I want to enter a numeric amount in the fundraising goal text field. You can see there are a number of text fields on this web page, so I'm going to do it a bit like how I was using the radio button. Click Text Field. Choose 2, 500. Okay, so I've just entered that numeric amount in that text field. I want to go to the radio button and that has Run beside it. Click Radio button. Choose 2. Click Radio button. Choose 4. Click Text field. Choose 3. I've not participated in this event previously. Full stop. Okay, So I want to scroll down the page, start scrolling down, stop scrolling, and I want to go to the next lot of radio buttons. Click radio button, choose 8, click radio button, choose 7, click text field, choose 2, 23 / scratch that, 23 / 05 / 1970. Okay, so I used a couple of other drag and dictating commands there, the /. Now I'll go to the next radio button, click radio button, choose 8. Okay, so you can probably see how I've navigated around, and hopefully that was useful to you. And another way about finding out about other commands you can use in the in Internet Explorer and on web pages is by going to the Help menu up here, going to Help Topics, going to Use the Web, and so it's got quite a few here working with Internet Explorer and that kind of thing, working with Chrome, working with Edge. So it's quite comprehensive. My general advice is to start introducing these commands to your general work or daily study on a gradual basis, and that way you become more familiar with them and your accuracy will improve. Okay, so that's that for now.